There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A. You already know what time it is. We about to slay today, okay, with the Amazon lace front, all right? Y'all, now first of all, I hope y'all all are having like a really great day when you're watching this video. I'm doing fine. I'm doing great. I'm blessed. I'm here with y'all, so that means it's a great day. As long as I woke up above ground, girl, I'm good. The wig that I'm going to be doing today is another Amazon lace front. And y'all already know what I say about Amazon. Amazon Prime, get your wig on time, girl. It's normally not what I say. It'd be like the Amazon Prime, get your on time, but I figured that I would put in wig with it so that way I could just stop the potty mouthing and I wouldn't have to bleep it out. But y'all already know what I mean, okay? But I love Amazon. You get your stuff fast, easy returns. Amazon Prime, get your stuff on time. So today's Amazon lace front wig is from the company Isee. And let me just tell y'all real quick, I have worked with them plenty of times in the past. And girl, when I tell you they got class, what the wig is all about, girl, check out Isee because there's not a doubt. I be coming through with the real bars. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm good with it. Where's my contract? Okay, like I got bars for days. Who wants to have a rap battle? So the wig is already ready to wear, pre everything. Comes in this nice little pink box. I love pink. Pink is my signature color. And this one right here is the 20-inch Afro curly lace front. Pre everything, girl, pre everything. Inside the box, they do give you an adjustable, removable elastic band. They also give you some really nice mink faux lashes. So if you're into lashes, you'll get a pair of those. And last but not least, you will also receive an HD wig cap. So what I actually already noticed is there's already an adjustable elastic band inside with the silicone. So you actually do receive two. The unit also does come with a comb on each side. They are removable combs. I do love that option. That way you can just put them back in when you choose to. And in the nape, there's also a comb as well. This one is also removable. You also do get the silicone banding around the edges. And the best of the best, girls, say less, the drawstring. I love when everybody gives the drawstring because, girls, suck that head in, make it tight as hell, okay? Also pre-everything, like I stated, so it's already been pre-bleached, already been cut for you. And I do like the ear cutouts on the side so that way your wig fits really, really comfortable. This is a very textured unit and they've already gotten it in the middle part. I probably may just change the parting, but y'all already know that. So let's just get into this wig.
You hit me up late at night again, saying things you never really mean. Blame the drinks, blame the past, blame it on me. But it's all just a version of you. Told me don't trip, say be right back. Left me on red, now I need an ice pack. I used to wait, now I just detached. Still feel the echo of your laugh. Pulled me close, just to let me go down like a nerve. Drew a hand and got a dinner. I pretend my
talk about this lace. The lace is so surprising. It surprised the hell out of me. Once I added a little bit of hairspray, girl, the lace disappeared. I'm really, really loving the thinned out hairline. It makes it look so much natural, and it makes my job a whole lot easier versus plucking or pulling out the hair at the hairline. So I think Isee did an amazing job with this hairline and this lace, and you get plenty of parting space with this unit. It fits great. The hair is easy to just maintain and curl back up and define. And if you love like Afro curly hair, girl, get you one of these units. Now this is 20 inches, and I think it came out really, really pretty. Like, I was surprised that it was this easy to just manipulate the curls. Now the one thing that I would do if it were me, I probably would just finger coil, not the entire unit, but most of the unit. This is a very beginner friendly, no nonsense, pre-everything lace wig. What I tell you, you can get it on Amazon, because Amazon Prime, you're gonna get your wig on time, girl, okay? I really didn't have to do anything but just manipulate the curls and repart it. Y'all know I'm not really up middle part girly, only because my head is long, and I just feel like it just makes the wig not look that great in the middle part. And there also is certain hair textures and styles that I just don't prefer to wear in the middle part. But overall, the unit came out really nice. I love the lace. Like, girl, when I seen the lace at first, I was like, I don't really know what is it gonna be like, but it definitely did surprise me. The drawstring was definitely a plus. I didn't even have to install the combs in my hair. This was really, really easy, and it's dried down now. And I know this is definitely a cute wig that you could just put like a cornrow in on the front part and just go about your business. No baby hairs needed. Girl, yeah, let's get you one of these wigs, okay? Let me know what you think of this one from Isee. I will definitely link everything in the description box below. You already know your girl A got to go, but I'll definitely see y'all in another video. What I tell y'all, bars. Bars. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay out the way and mind your business. Bye.
Go, go, go.